Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to deactivate your account on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your computer. If you've decided to take a break or step away from the platform, this updated method will guide you through each step clearly and simply. First, open your preferred browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to deactivate. Once the homepage loads, look at the navigation bar on the left side of your screen. Find and click on the icon labeled More. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can manage everything about your account, from basic preferences to security settings. On the main settings page, locate and select your account. This option contains key controls linked directly to your profile. Next, scroll down and click on Deactivate your account. On this page, you'll see information about what happens when your account is deactivated, such as how your profile, tweets, and followers become hidden until you reactivate within 30 days. Take a moment to review these details so you understand the process. When you're ready, click the Deactivate button at the bottom of the page. The system will ask for your password to confirm that this action is really coming from you. Enter your password carefully, then click Deactivate again to proceed. After this step, you'll see a final confirmation message. Click once more to confirm, and your account will be deactivated successfully. Remember, you can log back in within 30 days if you change your mind and want to restore your account. If you don't sign in during that time, your account and data will be permanently deleted. That's all it takes to deactivate your X account on the web. Thanks for watching.